There is red, yellow, and then we're gonna fold the tissue paper like this, and then put it right here. We're gonna put water in each cup. There is a water and there's nothing. Now I'm gonna put these. Now I'm gonna put coloring. Woo-hoo! Now I'm gonna choose. We're going to see in a few minutes. We're gonna observe what happened. We're gonna observe what happened.
Baby, I know this might sound insane, but baby, you're gonna love me again, love me again. Yeah, I paid my dues to show you how.
Look at the color of yellow. It's walking to the other side right here without water. Oh, mommy, look at the red. Today we're gonna do another science experiment. First we need oil, a clear cup, a bowl with water, and then 4 different colors. There is red, yellow, green, and blue. And there's a straw to mix up. First, you're gonna put oil to the clear cup. I'm gonna put five drops in the oil. I'm gonna put five drops from the. I'm gonna put 5 drops on the oil. On the food coloring, I'm gonna put 5 drops on the oil of coloring of the oil on the oil. I'm gonna put 5 drops. Whoa! And 5 drops of blue. Ugh.